If you're looking for help fixing your American water heater's water heater, look no further. Our comprehensive American water heater's water heater repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. American Water Heaters manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of American Water Heaters appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Thermocouple. Some gas water heaters have a thermocouple. The thermocouple detects the pilot flame. If the thermocouple does not detect a flame, it will prevent the gas valve from opening. Gas valve and thermostat assembly. The gas valve opens to allow gas to enter the burner. If the gas valve does not open, the burner will not light, and the water heater will not heat. First, ensure that the ignition source is working properly. Second, ensure that the gas valve has pressure. If the ignition source is working, and the gas valve has pressure, consider replacing the gas valve and thermostat. Pilot. The pilot ignites the water heater's gas burner. If the pilot does not light, the water heater will not heat. Sometimes, carbon deposits can build up on the pilot and eventually create a restriction. If the pilot is restricted, try removing it and clearing it with a stiff brush or compressed air. If the pilot cannot be cleaned, replace it. Dip tube. If the water heater does not heat, the dip tube may have broke or cracked. The dip tube delivers cold water toward the bottom of the tank where it can be heated by the burner. Draft inducer motor. The draft inducer fan motor draws air into the burner and then exhausts it out the flue. As the air flows through the draft inducer assembly, it closes a vacuum switch to signal that proper airflow is present. If the inducer motor is not working properly, the water heater will not heat. Over time, the bearings on the inducer motor wear out. The inducer motor could also have a plugged vacuum port. If the vacuum port is plugged, the motor will not be able to close the vacuum switch, causing the ignition process to stall.